Great morning, everyone. Now we will start our topic three-dimensional geometry. In our previous video, we have discussed about its concept, how we will define a point in a space. Now we will continue our topic, and our next topic will be distance formula and the section formula. That is based on three-dimensional geometry. Distance formula. Our exercise 13.2 is based on distance formula, and our next exercise 13.3 is based on section formula. As we discussed in class 10th, distance formula and section formula in two-dimensional geometry. Now the change is only that we will take one more coordinate, z coordinate, and the distance formula will be same. Let us assume there are 2 points. First one is A and second one is B. The point A lies in the space, means three dimensional three dimension में lie करता है, and same as the point B also lies in three dimension. So its coordinate I am taking as x1, y1, z1, and coordinate of B x2, y2 and z2. We have to find the distance between these 2 points. आपको क्या करना है, इन दोनों पॉइंट्स के बीच का डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है. तो डिस्टेंस ऑफ ए बी will be equal to under the root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus, now there will be one more coordinate, z2 minus z1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. With the help of this formula we can find the distance between 2 points. At the place of x1, y1 and z1 there will be an integer 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2 and its own, and same as at the place of x2, y2, z2 there will be any number. Now with the help of this formula we will find the distance between them. Then we have section formula. With the help of section formula we can find the coordinates of a point which divide the line joining of 2 points. In the section formula we can find the coordinate of a point which dividing a line segment joining A and B. Same as the point A has coordinates x1, y1 and z1, and point B has coordinates x2, y2 and z2. There is a point P which is dividing AB in m ratio n internally. Then the coordinates of P will be m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by sum of the ratio. M into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n. Same as its y coordinate will be m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by sum of the ratio. M into z2 plus n into z1 divided by sum of the ratio. With the help of this formula we can find the coordinates of P which is dividing AB internally in the ratio m ratio n. Same as this formula is also applicable if P point divide AB externally. अगर ये इस लाइन सेगमेंट को एक्सटर्नली डिवाइड करता है तो फॉर्मूला आपका चेंज हो जाएगा, एंड चेंज विल बी ओनली दैट at the place of plus we will take minus. At the place of plus we will take minus if the point P divide AB externally in m ratio n. अगर पॉइंट P अब इनसाइड के बजाय आउटसाइड आ जाए, यहाँ आ जाए, then the formula will change in. Okay, this is the section formula. Now we will discuss about the coordinates of centroid of a triangle. Coordinates of a centroid of a triangle. Let us assume this is a triangle whose coordinates are, the coordinates of vertex A are x1, y1, z1. The coordinates of B x2, y2, z2, and coordinates of C x3, y3 and z3. then this is the centroid. I am taking it as A. O is the centroid of this triangle. So coordinates of centroid, coordinates of centroid will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3, and its z coordinate will be same as z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. With the help of this formula, we can find the centroid of our triangle, means coordinates of the centroid of our triangle. And the next topic that we are taking, if we have to prove 3 points collinear, if we have to prove 3 points A, B and C collinear, we can prove it with the help of distance formula as well as section formula. In the distance formula, we will find the distance of A and B, the distance of B and C, the distance of A and C. With the help of distance formula, firstly we will find the distance between A and B, B and C and A. After finding these distance, if sum of any two is equal to the third one, then we can say the points are collinear. This is with the help of distance formula. Same as with the help of section formula, we can prove 3 points collinear with the help of section formula. Let us assume A and B are the points whose coordinates are x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Firstly, we will assume a point P divide the line segment AB in k ratio 1. Then, with the help of section formula, we will find the coordinates of P. The coordinates of P will be k into x2 plus 1 into x1 divided by sum of the ratio, same as k into y2 plus 1 into y1 divided by sum of the ratio, and same as its z coordinate will be k into z2 plus 1 into z1 divided by sum of the ratio. Then we will assume that, क्या assume करेंगे, जो C पॉइंट है जिसको आपको कोलिनियर दिखाना है, C पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट मान लीजिए है x3, y3 एंड z3. We will assume this point will satisfy the x coordinate of the point P for any value of k. Then we will replace this value with x3. At the place of x3 there will be any number, and from there we will find the value of k. After equating them, and put that value of k at the place of these two coordinates. If these coordinates will be same as the y and z coordinates of the point C, then we will say these 3 points are collinear. What I was saying, आप P के x कोऑर्डिनेट को C के x कोऑर्डिनेट के इक्वल करेंगे किसी भी वैल्यू के लिए, वहां से आपके पास k की वैल्यू आएगी. वो k की वैल्यू आपको P पॉइंट के y और z कोऑर्डिनेट में पुट करनी है. अगर k की वैल्यू पुट करने से इन दोनों की वैल्यू C के y और z कोऑर्डिनेट से इक्वेट कर जाती है, उसके इक्वल आ जाती है, तो आप क्या कह सकते हैं, जो पॉइंट C है वो P पे पूरी तरह से कोइंसाइड करेगा और ABC क्या हो जाएंगे आपके कोलिनियर. So this was the concept of collinearity of 3 points with the help of distance formula and the section formula.